So hello and welcome to this Hornby Magazine video. Today I have the pleasure of bringing to you the new Heljan Lynton and Barnstaple 242 tank Lynn. Now the real Lynn was built in 1898 all the way across the sea in America by Baldwin Locomotive Works. Now that was because Manning Wardle was currently at capacity at the time, so the 242 tank Lynn stood out from the crowd, particularly with its lovely American styling. The original loco was in service for 37 years before being scrapped in 1935. Now normally that would mean once the locomotives have gone, they've gone forever. However, in 2009, the Lynton and Barnstaple Trust announced they were going to rebuild a brand new locomotive to Baldwin's original designs. It took them 8 years, but they managed it. In 2017, a loco was added to the fleet and is there today. So that brings me to the model behind me, which is a post-1932 Southern Railways liveried model. And of course, that's one of 6 liveries that Heljan are bringing out to us. Some of the features include a stovepipe chimney, there's a working headlamp, optional cow catchers for front and rear, outside cylinders, metal motion, there's an enclosed cab with separately fitted handrails, there's a turn metal whistle, and the chassis is actually die cast, which proves very useful for connectivity and load hauling. Now we tested this locomotive with 6 coaches, but I'm sure it could do more, and it won't struggle on the traditional 009 gauge layout. This locomotive does come with a 6-pin DCC socket, however the space is limited, so you have to be careful which DCC chip you pick. Now inside the main cab you could fit a speaker if you wanted to add sound, although it hasn't been designed this way, so you have to be very careful which speaker you select. The locomotive comes with hook and loop couplings in NEM pockets. It's also got a very beefy 5-pole motor, so you shouldn't struggle with running at all. Now if you added a stay alive to that, you've got an absolute dream of a locomotive, especially for 009 gauge. It comes with an RRP of £239.95 and is available right now at your local model shop. As ever, that's enough from me, but if you want to see the full review, you can read it right now in HM171, the September edition of Hornby Magazine, as you can see here, or you can see it on keymodelworld.com, along with lots of other features and videos. As ever, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.